Hi friends, welcome to the topic how to make the first impressions. Making first impression is very important in all our lives because when we meet our friends or family members or when we go to an interview, making first impression definitely counts. Depending upon the first impression, we get our job or we may develop our friendship. So, first impressions are very, very important. So, today we shall see some points about how to make the first impression. See, greet the patron immediately with a smile. When somebody comes to your company, or when you go to the interview, or when you go to meet a stranger, you meet them with a smile. A smiling face is a happy face. Everyone would like to look at your happy face. But if you are not smiling, if you are not happy, then people make negative impression about you. So smile is very important when you meet a stranger. Next, be presentable. You should be really presentable. That means you should wear proper clothing. Your hairstyle should be good. Your hands should be neat and clean. So look presentable. I don't mean to say that you should be gaudy. No. Don't wear colorful clothes, but wear the clothes that are presentable. Similarly, hairstyle, and then your whole person should look very neat and clean. Next point, communicate warmth and confidence. As you speak, you should sound confident. If you sound doubtful, then people may not like to maintain any relationship with you. So sound very confident, and there should be warmth in your greeting. Next, don't eat, drink, or chew gum. If you are eating and drinking or chewing gum, it means you are very casual. You are not giving importance to what is happening there. You are not giving importance to your friend or your interviewer. So make sure that you are not eating or chewing or drinking anything. Make the first 30 seconds count. So the experts say that within 30 seconds, almost everyone makes their first impression. So your first 30 seconds are very important. So you should make them count. So what should you do in this first 30 seconds? Let me show you through the pictures. See, your interviewer or your patron or your customer, they expect all these things. See, look at me. You have to look at your interviewer. You have to look at your friend. Smile at me. Not only looking, you have to smile. Talk to me. You need to talk to the person. You cannot be silent all the time. Next, listen to me. When your interviewer speaks, when your customer speaks, you need to listen and listen carefully and thank me. So whenever there is something, whenever your customer offers you something, you must thank the customer. So do all this in order to make your first and the best impression. So when you meet your interviewer or your patron or your friend, be energetic, cordial, and respectful. Your energy passes to the other person. Other person feels happy if you are sounding energetic. Cordial, greet them with a lot of respect. Be prepared, especially when you go for interview or when you go for a deal with your customer. Be prepared. You should not sound unprepared. Maybe if you have to Make notes, please do that. Preparedness is very important. Next, think, use common sense. Just because you have prepared, it doesn't mean you have to tell everything to the customer. You have to think and then use common sense. You have to listen to them also. Next, bend the rules sometimes. There are some of us who are blind followers of rules. No, don't do that. Sometimes, according to the customer and the situation, we need to bend the rules a bit. Next, stay positive. Don't immediately think negatively. Be positive. Your positiveness can make others respond positively to what you are saying. So, positiveness is very important to make your first impression. Next, to your patrons, you are this department, this organization. See, you may feel that you are just an employee, but then for the customer, you are the company. Why? Because he sees you, he listens to you. So you should know everything about the product that you are explaining. For the interviewer, you are the one who will be joining the company. So make sure that you sound professional. Next, your clothes, posture and attitude sends messages to your patrons about work. So the way you look, your clothes, your hairstyle and your neatness and your posture, body language is also very important. And also your attitude. You need to have positive attitude towards your customer, towards your interviewer. Next, it's very important what kind of first impression you make. If you fail to make the first impression, then you lose the deal. That's why first impression is very important. As people say, you don't get a second chance to form a first impression. First impressions are very important. If you can make the first impression, you have won the deal. So that is from your point of view. Then what about the customer's point of view? When a customer looks at you and then when he listens to you, he makes the decision at a certain point of time. That is called the moment of truth. When the other person makes his impression and then makes a small decision, that is called moment of truth. Jan Carlson, he says, a moment of truth is an episode in which a customer comes into contact with any aspect of the company, however remote, and thereby has an opportunity to form an impression. So when the customer comes into contact with the company, there may be some point of time he makes the decision. That is called moment of truth. In simple words, when the customers receive an impression and make a small decision, that is moment of truth. So how this moment of truth matters for us? You see here, you can see two apples here. The first one is at the left. The first one at the left is expectation, and the second one at the right is reality. See, if you get what you expected, if the customer gets what he expected, he receives satisfaction. He forms positive opinion. So the expectation and the reality should match. But do they always match? No. You see here, expectation is very big, but the reality is small. In that case, your customer feels disappointed. So make sure that the reality is more than what the customer expects. See here, at the left we have only one, but at the right we have two. So that means the customer has received more than he has expected. Then in that case, the customer feels very delighted. He feels very happy about it. And then he forms the moment of truth. So moment of truth can either make or break the image of an organization. So if the customer looks at you and then makes a negative decision not to buy your goods, then your company loses. Then you lose. That is why make sure that the first 30 seconds are the seconds that make the first impression, and also the moment of truth. Okay friends, I hope you give importance to the first 30 seconds and also keep in mind the moment of truth. So if you have any questions, you can keep your comments in the comment box. Have you ever felt that your moment of truth is positive when you visited a company? Please keep a comment below. Or when your moment of truth is negative, keep a comment below. Okay, thank you friends. With a good topic, we shall meet in our next video.